Konnichiwa everyone, my name is Vedanshi and welcome back to my video. As you know, in the last video we learned Romaji and I hope you all understood what is Romaji and what are the letters that don't exist in Japanese. If you have not watched my video yet, you can type Vedanshi's Japanese Learning on YouTube. There you see my videos. So today's video is about Hiragana. First, let's understand what is Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji. Hiragana and Katakana are different forms of letters. As you can see this is Hiragana. In katakana, we change the letters a bit. Now, let's understand what is kanji. Kanji is the different meaning of words and things. Suppose I draw a box and two lines in it. This becomes sun. There are more kanji like this. Now let's study Hiragana. But before that, you need to know one thing. These are not the Hiragana. There are more Hiragana that we'll discuss in our next video. In this video, we are gonna learn these many Hiragana. So let's start. Our first letter is A. We write A in Japanese as a curved line, a horizontal line and a curve like this. This becomes A. Our next letter is E. We write E as curved line, slanting line and a small curved line beside it. This becomes E. Our next letter is U. We write U as half question mark or curved line and then a small line on top of it. This becomes U. Our next letter is E. E. We write E in Japanese as half Z, half H and a slanting line, and the last step is a small curved line on top of it. This becomes A. A. Our last word in our first line is O. O. We write O as standing line, horizontal line and a curve. This becomes O. Our first line is completed. Let's move on to our second line. But before that, you all must be wondering what is the difference between A and O. In A, the line is curved. See, the line is curved here, and in O, the line is straight. So that's what the difference is between A and O. Our next line is K line. Our first letter in our second line is Ka. Ka. We write Ka as straight line, horizontal line, with the horizontal line, one slanting line, horizontal line, and again standing and horizontal line. This becomes Ka. Ka. Our next letter is Ki. Ki. We write Ki in Japanese as two slanting lines and one straight line, and below that one curved line. This becomes Ki. Ki. Our next letter is Ku. Ku. We write Ku in Japanese as first slanting line and then again slanting line. This becomes Ku. Our next letter is K. We write K as curved line and slanting line with it. Again a curved line and a horizontal line with it. It becomes K. Our next letter is Ko. We write Ko in Japanese as curved line or slanting line with it, and again a curved line. This becomes Ko. Ko. Our second line is also finished. Let's move on to our next line. Our next line is S line. And our first word is Sa. Sa. We write Sa in Japanese as standing line, horizontal line, slanting line, and a curved line with it. This becomes Sa. Sa. Our next letter is She. We do not say the C, we say the She. We write She in Japanese as a curved line and just curve it again like this. This becomes She. Our next letter is Su. Su. We write Su in Japanese as first a standing line, then curve it, and again standing line, and a horizontal line with it. Or you can do a standing line, horizontal line, and a circle. So this is Su. Su. Our next letter is Se. Se. We say we write as through standing line, slanting line, then horizontal line. Here, standing line and horizontal line, and then just add a horizontal line with it. This becomes se. Se. Then our next letter is so. So. We write so in Japanese as Z and then a curved line. This becomes so. So. Our last line is the letter T line. So, our first word in our last line is ta. We write ta in Japanese as standing line, slanting line, and horizontal line, and a curved line and another curved line. This becomes ta. Ta. Our next letter is chi. Chi. We don't say it as T, we say chi. Chi. We write chi as write number 5 and a standing line with it and just add a horizontal line like this. This is chi. Chi. Our next letter is su. It's not tasu, it's not tasu, it's su. Su. We keep the T letter on silent. So su. We write su as a curved line and then just a half circle. This becomes su. Or you can write it as horizontal line and like a curved line and this. This is also su. And our next word letter is T. Te. Te. We write te as half Z and then a curved line. This is te. Te. Our next letter is to. To. We write to as V and curved line. This becomes to. To. So this is the last line. There are 3 more lines that you need to know, but that's not mentioned here or any hiragana letter. So here, as you know, this line is called ka line. So suppose this is the letter ka. This becomes ga. Ga. These two lines are called 10-10. So if you add 10-10 to any of the ka lines letter, they will become to G line. Suppose if I say I need to say ku. If I write ku and 10-10 above it, this becomes gu. Gu. In every letter, in every K line letter, if you add 10-10, this becomes G line. And our second line is, do you see the sa line? Suppose I want to write sa in Japanese. If I add 10-10 to it, this becomes za. In every letter of sa line, if I add 10-10, this becomes za. Suppose I pick this letter and add 10-10 into it. This becomes Z. Z. Not only these two letters, any letter in sa line, if you add 10-10, it becomes the Z line. And our third thing is that, can you see the ta line? Suppose I am writing ta in Japanese. When I add 10-10 to it, it becomes da. Da. Suppose I add 10-10 to su. This becomes do. Do. When you add any 10 to K line, suppose on this becomes K, ga, ge. And if you add on this becomes gu. And sa line, when you add, suppose on this becomes ze, ze. If you add in ka line, if you add 10-10, so this equals to ga, G line. And if you add in sa line 10-10, this becomes Z line. If you add in T line 10-10, this becomes D line. So these are the three lines that you should know when you are writing hiragana, because you will not see it written anywhere. You search it on Google, YouTube, anywhere. You won't see these letters. You should know it by yourself. So our hiragana is over. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Arigato.